Good morning. 100 days ago, on the 20th of March, the vast majority of pupils walked out of school not knowing entirely what would happen next. And I wrote to you parents and I said I wasn't sure what was going to happen next. During the course of those 100 days, this country, education, economics, hospitals, families, loved ones have been through an unprecedented moment in time. And I said 100 days ago that I would do what I could to steer the ship, the Westhouse ship, through uncharted waters. As I sit here this morning, with those 100 days having passed, we emerge with Year 3 and Year 4 boys rejoining the family, and we are reunited at what perhaps is not quite the end of that journey, but together once again. And I know that some of you, for shielding reasons, family reasons, individual circumstances, have not been able to return to school, and you of course are very much part of the family that is reunited. And I can't emphasize enough how thrilled I am that the school has come through what we sincerely hope is the worst of this, and we are back together again in time for the end of the term and the school year. So I guess it's a welcome back to all of you. Being back here at school, I hope, is exciting, and I am thrilled that we are together again. We have a couple of eventful weeks. Yes, of course, we are having to acknowledge certain changes to the way we are operating. But there will still be a prize giving. We are working hard to make sure, senior boys, that we can still have a hectic hectathlon at the end of term. Believe me, Mr. Lawrence and Miss Green are thinking long and hard about what they can do to put some sort of production together that we can then beam out to parents and pupils remotely. So there is a lot of energy going into these last couple of weeks. There are also a couple of practical matters that need to be dealt with. Yes, we will be doing Holiday Club, and Holiday Club forms will be going out this week. And yes, we will be preparing for the end of term and of course next academic year. So parents, you'll be receiving various information, and it looks like that shortly before the start of the autumn term, those boys who are in key transition year groups will be invited in for a couple of hours perhaps to engage in that transition process. Year 5 boys, of course, you are the lucky ones, because we will be doing our 11 plus classes in August, so there is something for you to look forward to there. And so, as normal as things could possibly be, we are going to attempt to return to that normality and get on with the job of running this magnificent school for the benefit of every single one of you. I look forward to seeing you in the hours, days and the couple of weeks ahead, and then we can all have, I'm sure, a well-deserved rest before we go again for all the excitement of a new academic year. Make the most of this couple of weeks.